Hey guys, today we're going to look at one of our newer features. It's called grouping. The first thing you got to do is turn it on. So we go into the Create App section, click on that, go to the Build App section, and then Advanced Settings. Come on down to Feature Grouping, Enable or Disable, make sure that's enabled. Once that's done, hit the Update button, go back out to the app that you're looking to get into, log into the account, click on the Manage Customers tab, and up here to the right you will see Grant Permission. So let's click on that. I have now clicked on all of the features that are available through the app. Okay, so every feature that's inside of this specific app is now located on this list. Whatever is checked means it's available for everybody that downloads the app. So anything that's checked here, anybody will be able to access it. Anything that's not checked here will require, it's permission based. So they will, when they click on, anyone that clicks on that feature, for example, it will take a pop-up will come up and say, please request access. They click the request access button, and then an email is sent to the admin of the app, the owner of the app, saying person ABC has requested access to this specific feature. They can then go into the customer section, locate that person, and give them access. I'll show you that in a second. So just to be clear, these are the defaults for the entire app. Whatever is checked is available for everybody. What is not checked would require permissions. You're also able to group things. So you can come back over here to the Group tab. So you're able to create different types of groups. So I've done a few in this example: basic, premium, silver, gold. All you do is type in the word, and then it will appear in the list below, like that. And then you're able to come down here and manage what features you want to give this specific group. So in the test group, I could say I want to give them this, whatever features I want to give them access to, and hit submit. And now that grouping will have those features. Okay, so go back to the group list. Right here, we can delete that because we really don't need that here. But you can see, for example, my gold members will have, a whole bunch of different things. And you can, pick and choose what kind of features you want to give all the groups access to. So once you've made your groups, go back to your group list here. You can see the different groups you have, different permissions set up for each of the different user groups. You'd come back out to your customer list, and if you're going to give someone permission, you click on the permission current permission link under their name, and here you will see items that they don't have access to. So this specific person does not have access to this feature or this feature. All we're doing is turning it on by checking the box and hitting submit. So now this person will now have access to this feature. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so that's number one, how you give access to somebody that's requested access for a specific feature. The other way is how you group people into a specific grouping. You click on their name and click on the Show Highlighted Detail tab up here at the top. You'll see a full CRM right here. Scroll down and you'll see this, assign user group. And right here, you just pick whatever user group you want to assign this specific person to. So that's how you do it manually. You can basically go in there and check out which customers go into which groups. Okay, that's essentially the entire grouping feature. Thanks for watching.